monster truck doing? What is that, 6-inch lift?
Bro.
Yours are different.
I know, because they're the better ones.
Is it?
3.7 inch, 3.78 inch.
Yeah, yours look bigger.
Oh yeah.
Mine are the red ones.
Those are the cheap ones. Those are like the lowest ones.
Put on the door?
No, the back behind that plastic where the 4x6
It's
goes.
gonna hurt your ears, I think.
Right there?
¿Qué onda, bicho? You have to make it whole?
No, I'm gonna put the...
I'll hurt your ears right there, bro. I think so.
No. Well, I don't know where else.
You could try one and then see how it is.
See if it hurts.
They'll hurt your ears, huh? Try to put it right beside your ear.
I know. He wants it right there.
But it's gonna hurt your ear.
Well, I don't know. I never
I
had
told him to
tweeters,
put him
bro.
in the door panel, but he says he wants it in...
Well,
Well, you don't...
On my OBS, I had them all the way on my floor.
Well, I'm supposed to get the door panels on Monday or Tuesday.
For what?
He's gonna get the
This
electric
one, the
doors.
black ones.
From who?
The pinky.
¿Qué onda, bicho?
Oh yeah? How much?
350.
$350?
Yeah.
This is not a bad price.
I mean, that's how much he sells them for. On eBay, they're $400 for one, plus shipping. So you're paying like $600 for one door panel. I'd rather pay the $350, and they're good with the buttons already. So, I think
2 buttons or 4?
I think it's gonna be the crew cap. That's what, everything he's been selling has just been the crew cap, all his door panels.
I think you should wait when you get the kitty panel.
Wait till I get
¿Dónde
that one.
fuiste?
Because you could put the 2 6.5 and the tweeters.
He wants like 6
No,
tweeters.
That TV panel that you buy, it only has the 2 speakers.
Or does it have a tweeter?
No, unless I go to the one I showed you. It has the ugly one that's huge.
Oh, yeah.
You know what I'm talking about? It has that and then that.
No.
Or when you get the top one.
But that one's gonna be.
Do you see GM Low Life? That's just sick.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah. He has a YouTube,
I know.
He sells them.
TikTok,
Mhm.
on
He sells
TikTok. You see him on TikTok?
They're pricey.
Yeah. He wants, I think, $650 shipped. And these are just speakers, guys. What the heck?
Your mom's calling you.
Hello? Hey, Mom. I got some 6s now.
It's like, what the fuck is that?
I just got new one. I just got another pair right now. Yeah, I don't know what happened. I went to go put on the rims I bought, and I got different ones. Okay guys, so as you guys see, I have it all sanded, blocked. So right now I'm gonna put primer on the fender, some on the door right here, and on the bedside. Okay guys, as you guys see, finally primered, all done. My mom turned off the light on me, so here with my phone light. We're gonna go ahead and check out Preston's truck now. From what you guys saw in the beginning.
I look on camera. Liking me today?
It's pretty good actually. It's a good lighting.
Guys, it's Preston, aka Wedo. We're back with a quick little video update just about my truck, you know. So basically everything that's new to it and what's going on, what's the plans and everything. So what's the biggest change that's very noticeable right now is I do got some new rims. We have some 26s finally. I've been a strong believer in 24s. I really did like 24s. I thought 26s were a little too big for me, but I ended up getting some 26s, and I'm kind of in love with 26s now. I'm ready for 30s already. I do have another set of rims. I have some dubs I just got too, and the same day I was about to put the dubs on, and then we got some 6s, so I got 6s now. You guys will see the dubs at a later date. We're gonna probably do a little bit of work on them, but that's not what this video is about. It's just a quick little update. Everything else with the truck, we're gonna do some appearance mods and everything, change up some stuff, make it look custom. Stuff coming on, because built not bought. All right, so something else that we did with the truck is we did start doing a system on it. And I say system, don't talk shit to me right now, guys, because right now the system's literally 2 speakers and an amp, but it's all good. Don't mind the mess, we're still at work in progress. So we got 2 DS18s right now. We did get some super tweeters, but we're gonna get some electric door panels. I'm gonna go get some tomorrow, and we'll show you guys how to do an electric conversion, window conversion on these years, because there's not too many out on YouTube right now. I think I saw maybe 1 or 2 that actually have a real conversion and like in depth, but we'll show you guys kind of what to do and how I'm gonna do it. But I also have speaker pods that are on the way, so we're gonna have two 6.5s and 2 super tweeters on each side, and then we will also get the titty panel. You guys probably know what that is. It's gonna be the panel that has the 2 speakers between the 2 seats, and we will have that going on too eventually, but just stay tuned because we're gonna try to do it little by little and not rush things. We want this to look right. Other things besides the truck, engine mods, we're gonna stay probably how it is now. It's enough, it's reliable enough to drive within city, so we'll keep it like that, because I want to start doing appearances, because once you start getting into engine mods, you do get burnt out quickly because everything's expensive, and then you just see the same looking truck and you don't see the difference. You really just feel it. RPG, we're gonna blow them up, bro. But yeah, so engine mods are, you gotta stick with it. But so we'll keep that.
It's not for everyone.
Yeah, it's not for everyone, but you just gotta, it's one of those things where you don't get to visually see it. It's all internal, so you don't really see anything, and it can really kill your motivation. So just to help with burnout, I'm gonna personally stay how it is now. I'm not saying I'm done with any engine mods or performance. We're obviously gonna keep on going bigger and better, but in due time. It's a process. You can't do everything all at once, like you know, the big corporations, the fuck, like big people, you know. We're little. I mean, well, you guys know what I mean. And we are gonna have a meet, a little pop-up meet, like a park and chill pretty soon, so stay tuned, guys, for that. But yeah, just stay tuned. We're gonna have a lot of content coming. Reyes is gonna do some things to his truck. I don't know if he's said it yet or not. You said it?
Mm-hmm.
He's gonna repaint the truck.
Mm-hmm.
You said that? Okay.
Yeah, it's on the video.
So yeah, you guys already saw what Reyes. Oh, dude, they want that bitch almost crashed. So got his brother's truck. We got some transmission stuff we gotta do. We got the tinker that still needs work done. But yeah, so just like, subscribe, comment. Let us know what you guys want to see in specifics. You know, like just everything. You know, we're here. We're ready. I want to make my mark, bro. So, all right, guys. So let us know what you want to see. Like, subscribe, comment. That's about it for the truck. It's just a quick little update, and more content coming soon. I'll show you guys the window conversion. I'll try to record the best I can, show you guys what I'm gonna do personally. It might not be how professional it looks, but as long as it works, right? No one else is gonna see besides, you know, people who watch the videos and me. But the bitches won't know, right? It's all good.